sum is very important sum. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. First I will draw the diagram, listen carefully, because this diagram contains mark. If you are going to draw in free hand, you only going to a loser, so be careful. Origin O, this is nothing but x. First I am going to draw a line. I am going to place a point. This one is O, P, this one is, let be L. Next another one, this is going to be O, Q, this one is going to be M, this one is going to be M. This is the diagram moves here. Here will be I cap. This is a unit vector running along the x-axis, is nothing but I cap. Listen carefully. This x vector is running a unit vector called I cap. Here nothing but j cap. P point is nothing but cos alpha comma sin alpha. Very important. This one is cos beta comma sin beta. Cos beta comma sin beta. I have drawn a line which is perpendicular. This is perpendicular line. This is a perpendicular line. So from O to OP, OP makes an angle with x-axis. So this is x-axis, this is OP. Make an angle with x-axis nothing but alpha. This is OQ, making angle. See, making angle with x-axis nothing but beta. So what is this will be? Bigger one is alpha, smaller one is beta. POQ. POQ is nothing but alpha minus beta. POQ is nothing but alpha minus beta. This one is alpha, this one is beta. POQ. POQ nothing but alpha minus beta. So I am going to derive this sum very easily to you. So be very careful. So listen. This is the point. This is a point. Okay. Let OA vector and OB vector. OA vector. OP. This is given as OP. No. OP vector and OQ vector. OP vector and OQ vector be the unit vector. Be the unit vector. OP vector, OQ vector be the unit vector, making angle alpha and beta. See, OP and OQ making angle with alpha and beta with positive x-axis. See, this is a positive x-axis with positive x-axis After draw PL and QM perpendicular to x-axis. Draw PL perpendicular to x-axis and PL perpendicular to x-axis and QM perpendicular to x-axis. Now see, I am going to differentiate. Next I am going to see POL, angle POL. Listen carefully. Angle POL is nothing but, see, POL is what is the angle? Alpha. Angle QOM. Angle QOM. What is the angle here? Beta. Angle QOM is equal to beta. Then angle POQ. Angle POQ is equal to alpha minus beta. Angle POQ is nothing but alpha minus beta. Angle POQ is nothing but alpha minus beta. Next, what I want to OP vector. OP vector. What is OP vector? OP vector is nothing but, this is head, this is tail. OL vector plus LP vector. OL vector plus LP vector. Therefore, OP vector is equal to OL plus LP. This OL is x-axis, LP is y-axis. This one is x-axis, This one is y axis. No, this one is x. No, cos alpha in x axis was a unit vector in here, I cap. Put I cap plus LP vector is y axis. What is y axis there? Sin alpha. What is the unit vector in y axis? J cap. So sin alpha into j cap. This is OP vector. The same I want to do here. OQ vector. OQ vector. This is head, this is tail. OM vector plus MQ vector. OM vector plus MQ vector. OQ vector is equal to OM is x-axis, MQ is y-axis. OM x-axis cos beta at x-axis nothing but I cap. What is MQ vector? Sin beta, j cap plus sin beta into j cap. So this one is keep it as equation 1, this one is keep it as equation 2. Very important. So OP vector dot OQ vector. Now OP vector dot OQ vector cos alpha I cap plus sin alpha j cap. This is OP dot. What is OQ vector? Cos beta I cap plus sin beta j cap. You know OP vector dot OQ vector is equal to I dot I is nothing but one. No, cos alpha cos beta plus put plus j dot j is one. No, sin alpha sin beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So this is very important one. Keep it as equation 3. So what I want to do, using 1 and 2 I done dot. That is another formula for P dot Q, that is OP dot OQ. Therefore OP vector dot OQ vector is equal to modulus of OP vector modulus of OQ vector cos alpha minus beta. This formula you should be studying the first itself. Nothing but A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A vector modulus of B vector into cos theta. What is the theta here? Theta is the angle between A vector and B vector. See here, OP dot OQ vector is nothing but modulus of OQ vector cos. What is alpha minus beta? Angle between OP and OQ. See, OP and OQ, what is the angle between them? Alpha minus beta. Modulus of OP vector is equal to modulus of OQ vector is equal to 1. Why it is 1? What is it? OP vector, OQ vector, unit vector. What is the word given? Unit vector. For unit vector, if I going to put modulus, answer is 1. Listen carefully. For unit vector, OP vector, OQ vector, OP vector, OQ vector, unit vector. In unit vector, if I am going to put modulus, what is the unit? 1. So OP is also 1, OQ is also 1. Therefore, OP vector dot OQ vector is equal to cos alpha minus beta. Keep it as equation 4. See, comparing 3 and 4. Comparing 3 and 4. See, OP dot OQ, this is 3. OP dot OQ, this is 4. OP dot OQ, OP to close it. This one is right hand side equate. Cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. See, this only we not to prove. Hence proved. This is the easiest sum. This sum always asking in the question paper, public question paper. So get ready for this sum.